Hi you guys, it's Jessie J again. So today's menu is barbecue stuffed chicken. So I already prepped the mix, what you're gonna put in the inside. So I have broccoli, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese. So just mix it together. And then I added some Creole for a little kick, a spicy kick to it, garlic powder, and some pepper. So you use whatever type of seasoning you want to use. So you cut the chicken in half here. Get it as deep as you possibly can without cutting it in half. Okay, and then you just take a scoop and you stuff it. Make sure it's not too much in there. Yeah, just enough to fill the inside. And you do all of them like that. We'll show you the result afterwards. Just cut it to the edge as possible as you can. And I did little chicken breast because it's just me. I ain't gonna, eat all that. But if you have a family and you can use bigger chicken breasts, it's up to you. It's real simple. Basically cutting the chicken in half without cutting it, all the way. I do have a little extra left over, but that's okay. Alright, and you just put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Voila. Doesn't that look good? Alright, and so while it's cooking, you can boil your water for the rice like I'm doing now. And, go in and cook your rice probably like 10 to 5 minutes when the chicken is almost done. So what I use 4 ounces of cream cheese, any brand you like. Just take a hand scoop of cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and just mix it together. And here's my rice. I chose cheddar broccoli rice. And I will see y'all in about 30 minutes. Bye-bye.